That's good. Hi guys, today is so much fun because today I'm going to show you my car. But do you know this? Comment down below, my channel is the best. But do you know this is the last day? Comment down below, my channel. That's so exciting. Comment down below, every channel I have subscribed it. And also, in the beanbag, also I'm going to show you my car. I have two cars. It's mine and it's so cool and exciting. Let's go. Can you wait a little bit because I need to change the camera. The camera down. Do you see it? That is only that exciting will be it, okay? Can you wait for a moment? Wait for a moment, okay? That lot of accepting when I want to, okay? That's there. And it's already accepted. Can you wait for it? Just make sure you comment down below it. And I need to show you where I put my toys. And also the beanbag and a tissue must start. And this one is have a funny sounds. See that funny sounds. And that is what I got to the swimming car teenagers. And also have a big Hello Kitty car. And also this one he just took off his swimmer hat. And I have mini party car. And I also have Snow White car with a little of Woolsey on that. Do you know this? That is fun. Fun is always not my own to be in this mistake. And this is always Disneyland. That's so cool. Even that $1,000 is in that $1,000. And also I have Ola. Ola, that is the best. When you just subscribe, when I give thumbs up for you, that means you can give me another thumbs up because it's subscribing. And I have only a Mickey Mouse. Now you can be the stats. When you see the WhatsApp have a good emoji, that means you need to subscribe it. You want to subscribe or not subscribe? If you want to subscribe, please press the good emoji to me. If you want to subscribe, if you don't want to subscribe, please do the sad face. And Tuesdays never, I going to lock the door, so this is good. For Mickey Mouse, he's so cool and cute, but he's small. And Minnie Mouse, I have a big car, so I'm gonna show you something, okay? Can you wait just a minute? So I'm gonna go down the camera, okay? So make sure you see it. But only that cardboard. So let me see about it. Do you see it? Mini car versus e-car. He can move. Look. This one. Do you see that? This is so cool. Even that $1,000 good if you say so. And the Hello Kitty can move. So I hope you comment down below. That two cars is so big, and he can move. So I hope you practice. Let me turn up the camera, okay? Okay, that there is up. And do you see some pictures? Is all my brother picture. See, is smaller, look like I am the baby. See that lot of this camera. I just don't have a camera, so that's why I just use phone case or that. Never mind. So I need a little bit the camera so you can see it. I'm gonna turn up now. Turn up. Maybe you can see that. Do you see that? Have to open on the slates, but now let me put out the camera, okay? Okay, that's good. And did you notice I just locked the door when on the piece? And always the skin is always spread on that clay, sir. So that's why I just locked the door. And then always the excuses on that place. So comment about my class. You can see anything about it on my channel. Oh, the iPad that skills. Comment on below.